Have you ever been looking for miracle solutions to create flawless gel extensions in no time? If you have, this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I have for you a highly requested video, which is a BioSwift tutorial. So BioSwift Gel came up with this technique a while ago already, but I keep getting questions on it. I love using this technique, and I think everyone should use it because it's so much easier and so much faster. So I'll stop speaking now and we'll jump right into the tutorial. So these items are the ones that you get when you purchase the BioSwift kit. Honestly, you really get a lot for your money. First thing are the tips, which are often called dual forms. You get 140 of these, so 14 sizes and 10 pieces of each size. These are reusable. As soon as you're done using them, you can cleanse them with alcohol and they're as good as new. Next, you get the BioSwift sculpting brush. On one side of it, you have a little spatula to pick up the product from the jar. And on the other side, you get the brush, which is protected by a cap, and the brush, you will use it to apply the product evenly into the form. Then we have the BioSwift gel. This one is the small jar, so it's 30 milliliters. But please take a moment and look at how beautiful this jar is. I really love how it looks. This gel is clear and it's the one that you'll want to apply to your dual forms. Now when I say you have a lot for your money, this jar is what I mean. This one is the refill jar of the BioSwift gel, and you have gel in there for 300 lifetimes. You really have a lot. This gel is also clear like the first one, but this one is the new formula. The main difference is that it will soak up a little bit faster than the original formula. First, please excuse my super ugly nails in this part of the video. And this time for real, let's jump in the tutorial. So I'm just gonna scoop a tiny little bit of gel and apply it to the nail. Some people like to do that, but that step is not mandatory. Of course, even before doing that, I prep the nails. Now, once you've chosen the right size of the nail tips, and may I say you need to choose the tips a little bit bigger than the nail you're going to do, you'll want to scoop some gel and put it inside of it. For that, I use the spatula side of the brush. Then I flip it and use the brush side to spread the gel evenly inside the form. If you need more gel, no problem. You just scoop some more, add it to the form, and then repeat the same process until you're happy with what you have in there. Now, starting from the cuticle side of the nail, you want to slowly apply the nail tip to the natural nail. Now, don't press too much or else you'll have an overflow of gel in your cuticles, and we don't want that. Once this is done, you'll want to put your hand in the lamp for about 90 seconds. Now, something that is really important with BioSwift is that your lamp needs to be either LED UV or UV. If your lamp is only LED, it's not going to work. Once the 90 seconds are over, you need to also put your hand upside down for another 90 seconds in the lamp. Now the fun part, you take the form from one side and you twist it. Now the only thing that's left to do is to cleanse the nail with alcohol to remove the tacky layer and shape it the way you want with a file. There is no filing or buffing on the top to do. You just get that perfect curve on top of the nail. So that's it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and that you could learn something from it. If you have any other concern on BioSwift, please let me know in the comment down below and I will make sure I do my best to try and help you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!